This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. We are on Royal Caribbean, Icon of the Seas, Deck 9, room 9257. This is an interior that overlooks Central Park. So when you come in, that's what it looks like. There is nothing on this side, just a wall. And over here is the bathroom, so we're going to start with that. You do have a hanger up there. There are some little shelves on the side, a towel holder. It does have a small seat. And a hair slash body wash. Oh, drawer. You have a few hangers up here. Let me see if I can turn that on. There we go. So you do have a drawer right here. That one has the hair dryer, and these are just additional drawers. Down here is a cooler. It is not a fridge. There are also two USBs over here. The closet is on the other side of the couch. And they do have baskets. Ooh. It's kind of noisy. Hold on. Okay, so I thought that was the safe, and it is the safe, but I just discovered that the mirror opens. For extra storage. Very nice. And that was where the safe was. You have over here a little bit of storage, and you do have the USB. On the other side, you have the USB and a regular plug. So if you have a CPAP, then you can plug it in right there. So this is an interior overlooking Central Park. So you will potentially have a roof that you're overlooking, but at least it's something. You can see if it's raining or the sun's out. Oh, I forgot. You have some additional shelving over here by the TV with a couple of USB ports as well. So lots of little spots for storage and plugs. In Royal Caribbean, Icon of the Seas, an interior overlooking Central Park.